Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you guys, really do, for watching our videos. It really touches us that you guys are out there, and are interested in what we have to say. So let me get right into it. Today I want to talk to you about, filing for your authorities that you work for. To me, I think it's really important that you have a system at least. So let's say you have authority hotshot truck one, okay, hotshot trucks, and when you go and you get a broker for your hotshot trucks, you have to do an onboarding contract with them. Basically, you sign these contracts with the broker for the hotshot truck, and this gives them the ability to work with that broker. And it has to be done before they haul any loads for them. So you go into your computer, you head over to documents, you click on new file, stick on there, I don't know, hotshot trucks or whatever name it is. And then once you have that file made, now you can put these onboarding contracts that you did with the broker into that file. Another file you would be very useful is to make sure you have a file just for hotshot trucks, for that company. So again, you just hit a hotshot truck, put hotshot trucks on there as the name of the file. And then in that file, you can put their W-9, their certificate of insurance. You can put their DOT, their MC number, papers that they get. And then also make sure you have, if you do contracts, make sure you put your contract in there that you have with that authority, okay? And the third file that you want to make, at least what we do, is we have a third one just for Raycons. So the first one, make sure that's for that authority's information. The second one could be for that authority's onboarding, for whatever broker you're working for. You'll have several in there as you go on, TQL, LDI, Landstar, blah 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 blah, and the third one would be Raycons. That's what we do. We have all three. That way we always can pull things up and we can say, all right, it's there. If there's a dispute, boom, we have it. With Raycons, you can you put the Raycons in that file, and when something was to come up, you can pull it up and you can say, okay, you put 18,000 pounds on this truck. We have a contract here that says it's only supposed to be 15. So, hey, you need to pay him for this. All right. So, it's important, you guys. A little tidbit that I wanted to give you guys today. I think that's very important to make sure you have, because you don't want to be unorganized. Things go fast. You're constantly looking for stuff, and you don't want to be digging around. You be able to pop that open and find it, and there you go. All right. So a little something for you guys today. I hope you appreciate it. Like, share, comment. You guys have a great time. Have a great day. Later.